Manual nesting of multiple graphs in nest. Continue cutting many same parts by single graph. calibration, nested graphs in plug. One, the machine does not follow graph procedures running when cutting. Troubleshooting procedures are described as follows. 1. Restart the power supply. 2. Press GG3 to initialize the file. Shut off the power supply and restart after completion of initialization. 2. In case of large file of cut graph or long program line, it may be impossible to save the nested graph file into the CNC system. The fault should be processed as follows. 1. Delete some files in CNC system. 2. Insert the U-disk into the system. Don't copy the nested graph file to CNC. Instead, directly read programs from the U-disk and then conduct cutting. 3. In case of normal cutting, the cutting oxygen may not be shut off after one workpiece finished cutting. The troubleshooting method is described as follows. Measure the connecting line of solenoid valve by universal meter to see if there is DC 24 voltage. If there is, it may be caused by system output. If there is no voltage, the solenoid valve may be damaged. 4. In case of plasma process cutting, if arc voltage controller is selected to cut the workpiece automatically, the cutting torch will rise all the time. The troubleshooting method is described as follows. 1. Check pins 5 and pins 6 of 7-core plug, which connected to the interface support plate 7-core aviation socket, and if the terminals plus and minus connected to the plasma arc voltage are wrongly connected. 2. Check if the arc voltage value is set too large. If yes, the torch will rise in cutting.